Welcome to PrecisionAccuracyCompany.com, where we say, if you're not measuring, you're just guessing. On this website, you will be introduced to two powerful new tools. These tools are powerful because they bring you information that has not been available to you before now. We all know information is power. First, you'll be introduced to the brand new Consistent Crimp Reloading tool. This is the only tool we know of that answers the question, how much do I crimp my cartridges? Or, what is a good crimp? Next, you'll be introduced to the barrel temperature gauge. This is a no-touch infrared barrel temperature thermometer that answers the question, how hot is too hot? Or, has my rifle barrel cooled enough to shoot to the point of aim? Since this is a quick overview video, more detailed information is available on our other videos. We invite you to peruse our other product-specific videos. The Consistent Crimp. The Consistent Crimp tool allows the reloader to choose a specific crimp pressure and apply that exact pressure load after load, cartridge after cartridge. Since the amount of crimp pressure causes dramatic changes in downrange bullet performance, it is obvious that quantifying this pressure and being able to repeat a specific crimp pressure will make the production of consistent reloads possible. Using the Consistent Crimp is easy and will give you the control over your reloads that you have been looking for. It's really that easy. The barrel temperature gauge. The barrel temperature gauge is a no-touch thermometer. Using cutting-edge infrared technology, the accurate and portable barrel temperature gauge gives you instant temperature readings to enable you to understand how temperature affects the performance of your particular rifle. Not only will you be able to discover what the best temperature range is for your rifle, but you will know with certainty when it is cooled back into this optimal temperature range during the cooling process. The barrel temperature gauge costs less than a single box of most rifle cartridges. The barrel temperature gauge will save you money because you will no longer waste cartridges by shooting through a barrel heated beyond its optimal temperature range. Whether sighting in your hunting scope, competitive shooting, or testing a new batch of reloads, the barrel temperature gauge is there to help you. "79.1 degrees. It's really that easy. We invite you to use these tools to save you money and to enhance your enjoyment of the sport of shooting. And remember, if you're not measuring, you're just guessing.